Mr.
Hello.
John Lu, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, big man. John,
Good morning. Yes, Mr.
you are live on 91.4 and you are live on w.irebefm.com.
Oh, wow. Awesome.
So you are in show, our show is INGABIRANO YANJE, so you are welcome, big man.
Thank you so much, Mr. Davy.
My name is Azapro and I'm with my friends Davi and Nana. Say hello to them.
Oh, hello. How is it going, guys?
Hello.
Hello, John.
Hey. Hello. Nice talking to you.
Yeah. Yes, and as we are so happy to talking with you. So, John, let's begin with that question. So, can you introduce yourself to them so they are listening to us?
All right. Thank you so much for all the crew that is presenting this program, and thank you so much also to the listeners. My name is John Lu. I was born in Zambia. I was born in Zambia. Music is, I'll talk about music because I love music, you know. I love every other thing, but music is my calling. Music is my calling, and what I can say is music is a powerful tool, especially in this world we live in, because it's kind of easy to deliver a message. Even if you didn't want to listen, when you hear the beat, you know, you'll be like, oh, the beat is nice. At the end of the day, you'll be able to catch one or two things in the message. But so my point is, I am John Lu, who really, really loves music and loves
Yes, John Lu, you say you was born in Zambia, right?
Yes.
That's where you live right now?
No, I was born in Zambia, Lusaka. I live in the USA. Yeah.
That's where you do your music, your career music?
Yes.
So that in US, that's where you begin your career music, or you begin your career music in Zambia?
Yeah, I began that in Zambia way back. Yeah, I began my career music in Zambia long time.
Yeah.
You know, yeah. So, like, you know, when I was little, I felt like I knew that music was part of me, you know. You know, when you are born, you are a little boy, you feel like this person is part of me.
You have a passion of music.
Yes. So music to me, when I was a little boy, I felt like he was a person that I knew long time. So it was like, music was like part of me, you know.
Yes.
Yeah.
So John, you are in America and you do your career music. So how you manage it, your lifestyle and your music career?
Well, it's not easy, but you know, when something is your calling, you create time for it. You may have a busy schedule, but when it's your calling, you create time for it. You know, it may be an hour, or at least you have to find that. It's not easy. It's so hard, especially to find the people you can work with. You know, everybody is so busy with their schedule, you know.
Yeah.
It's kind of tricky.
Yes, So John, on your YouTube channel there is eight music, which the
I have 11 over there.
11? Yes, 11. Sorry,
yes.
It's 11. There are 11 music, which there is malonjezo. Well, which meaning of malonjezo in English?
Malonjezo means the promise.
The promise?
Like the promises.
The promises?
Yes.
So the music Malonjezo you dedicated for who? For who you dedicated Malonjezo?
In fact, Malonjezo is for everybody. You know the way one can promise something and then later on they change. So that's what the song says, Malonjezo. Where are the promise you promised me? Example, you told me you're gonna buy me a house.
Yeah.
So now the time has come, like the years have gone by. Where is the house you promised me? Or where is our love? Or where is this? You promised me you would treat me like a queen. I'm not seeing this. The moment you and me, we got married,
yes,
I have your children now. I'm not seeing that love you promised me.
Yeah.
So that's the song.
Yes, but we see there is a cover only. So why you don't shoot a video?
Yes, on the videos, working on the videos. In fact, that's one of the goal in my future. The future here is working on the videos, dropping them out. So I started already, but I'm taking it easy. You know, the way I said here, it's not easy. It's step by step. Yeah, so already I did the vibe video. The vibe video. I'll send the link in few minutes. And I'm working on to chase the video too. So it's gonna be out to chase the video in few weeks from now.
In a few weeks to chase he's gonna be out in 2 weeks.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, that's great. It's such a good job, John.
Oh, thank you so much.
So, John, in your biography, we see you in 2022. You perform as the bass player, right? Alongside of Alikiba. Which experience do you get when you play the bass player in alongside Alikiba?
Alikiba?
Yeah.
Oh, it was an awesome moment. It was so good, you know. I play so good with music. So it was a very good moment that I played with him.
Yeah.
It was awesome. It was the best, especially here when we don't really, pass. It was an awesome experience when we played for him.
Yes, it's a good experience. If you see Alikiba, wow, the king of bongo flavor, you say like, oh my God, it's such a beautiful moment.
Yeah, I've been playing quite a while for different artists, like even Christian Bella. Christian Bella when he came.
Yes, I know.
I'm the one and the band who played for him.
Wow, it's a good, bro. Congrats, big man.
Thank you so much.
John, do you have a band which you are playing in?
Huh?
Do you have a band, the band which you are playing in?
Yes. I have the band that I'm playing with.
Yeah.
This band is so good that we are doing amazing stuff in the community,
Yes.
Yeah. Wherever we go, people appreciate it. Say, oh, wow, these guys are so good. And then in our band, the one who plays the keyboard for me, his name is Isaac. I call him Zekman.
You call what? You call him what?
Zekiman.
Zekiman.
I remove the I. Yes, I remove the I.
And you
A.
Yes. You say Zekiman if you remove the I, who is the first.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. It's a nickname. Or it's AKA?
It's kind of a stage name. So
Yeah,
I'm
okay.
trying to give him that as a stage name. So Isaac is blind, but he's an amazing keyboard player.
Yeah. So John, do you play music for fun or is it a professional? For you, for you.
Music, like I said, is my calling.
Yeah.
Something that when I want to share something with the community, I go through my music. That's the only most strong place where I can talk to people about the situations. But you see, like the song Marochezo you asked me about.
Yes.
This song is a message to the people who love promising people without fulfilling the promises.
Yeah.
You know.
So John, a little question. Do you make a promise to someone and you can't achieve it? If you yes.
I try my level best not to make promises that I can't fulfill, because sometimes that's how people start getting angry at you. Feel bad, I'll never talk to you because you say you do this, you never did this. So we are people at the end of the day, but we need to try our level best in the things that we tell people we will do.
Yes.
You see, like here, I will talk about Oga.
Yes, August.
Who connected me. August is really a good person in the world.
Yeah.
I really appreciate these people. So, for me, these are the people that I really let me say, use this term, trust my life with them,
Yeah.
And there are other few that are good, that are really working on to say, John, we are supporting what you do. You need to go up, John.
Yeah.
So I really thank God for August to give me this platform and the
yes.
These are amazing people. If you want your life to go forward, you need to hang out with people like that.
Yes.
Be with people like that.
Yes. So John, let's come back for your career music. It's easy to sell your music on United States, or is so difficult?
For me, it's easy here. Than I think, because I connect with the community. If you look at the ones that are really sharing my music are the people from here, and surprisingly too, South African, they share my music.
The Nigerian people, they are sharing your music.
Yeah.
It's very good.
A lot in South Africa.
Okay. It's a good step.
Yeah, I really appreciate it.
Yeah.
I'm telling you. You will find these are the people that I've met in the community that are sharing my music out there. Over here.
Yeah, it's a good thing, bro. There is some question I have to ask you before I leave you. I know you have such a lot of things you do in States of America. So, can you tell us your schedule of this year, 2024? You're gonna bring what on your career music?
Yeah, what I really plan is to promote my album We Are One.
Yeah.
Also touring all over. There are programs that we have. We have a lot of programs. Last week I was performing at the West High School. They had a fashion show, a multicultural show, different nationalities, all different people came from Africa, different angles, Asia,
Yeah.
everywhere in the world.
Even Asia?
I met those people. Yeah.
Right.
It was a cultural show,
Okay.
like different nationalities.
So you say something of album. Do you have an album which is outside or is not already?
It's ready. It's called We Are One.
We Are One. Yes, I see. You have a music which is on your YouTube channel. Who have a title We Are One.
That's where I got the title from. That.
Yes.
Because what really we are doing, like when you look at, I'll come back also to August. August music is so rich that we need that music to give it out, to share it all over. You know?
August's song is so rich.
Yes.
John, if you say August's song is so rich, what do you mean exactly?
I listen to his music, you know, when he's doing something music also, he loves calling me to help out. But so like the other day, like last night, he was like I was going through his music videos, and you know when. Not only last night, I've been doing that. So when I sat down, I said, you know what? This is the best thing we need to be sharing, because if you hear the message, it's telling us to be that we are one.
Yes, well, the message.
One, and then
the message who is on Tekana's song of August.
Yes.
Yeah.
Is about we are one. Why do we like you know? Dividing ourselves,
yes,
that can't buy life, you know.
Yeah.
So that's the thing. And then to make matters good is the original traditional music.
Yes.
Which I love.
You know? Yes. You love traditional music.
Yeah.
Yes, August.
You know?
Yes, August is your man. If you love traditional music, August is your man.
Yes, I really love what he's doing. So these are the things we need to share to the world.
Yeah.
So to share, yes. Like that's my main goal also, to share.
Yes.
To share the love through music that we do, to bring traditional African music to engage with the community in a positive way. I really want people to enjoy themselves as we share the African culture, music, you know.
Yeah.
That's the main goal. If we can have more, be looking at things like that, and we are going somewhere.
Yes, so John, let's say it in the name of our staff in INGABIRANO YANJE. Let's say thank you for accepting our invitation.
You know, you guys, I really appreciate you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. You are doing amazing job, amazing work.
Yeah.
I appreciate you. Thank you so much for having me.
Yes.
And thank you for the ones who are listening to me.
Yes.
I'm John Lu. I really appreciate you guys.
Zambia's people, we're going to say it hi to them.
Yeah, every Zambian, I say hi to you.
Yeah.
God bless you. And all the African countries, all the world, I'm saying thank you. God richly bless you. God help us all.
Yes. So, John, God bless you for accepting our invitation. We are hoping next time we're gonna talk a little bit with your music career.
Yes, thank you so much. And the last thing, sorry, I can say is if they want to listen to my music, they can follow it on YouTube, and Spotify, and all musical platforms. Find it.
Yes, can you tell the people the name which you use on YouTube channel, and they can find you easily? Yes,
so they can go by John Lu, then John, then space, then LU, then you type forward.
Yes.
Forward is the song that will lead you to so many songs.
So thank you, John Lou.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Thank you. Yes, David.
Yes.
Uramwumvise John Lou.
Karasiga turi Cyongereza.
Kwavuga Icyongereza, kwavuga yuko reka tubagire ko turashari mu kiganiro ingabirano yanje. Nibaze yuko twagiye.
Yego.
Nanakiyambwira ati bibutse ko turi mu kiganiro ingabirano yanje ntibazimire. Yes, yari John Lou, twari kumwe kuri ku murongo wa telefone. John Lou, ku batamuzi David numwe bari kumwe mu ndirimbo tekana na August Burundi. Ariko aramuvugiriza gitara. Yako avuga yuko aba mu gihugu cya Leta z'Ubumwe za Amerika, ariko yavukiye muri Zambia. Afise n'indirimbo nyinshi zigiye zitandukanye ziri kuri YouTube channel yiwe ya John Lou, ariko aravuga uburyo umuziki wiwe washoboye kumwagura ukamumenyekanisha mu mahanga, akamenyana n'abantu benshi bagiye batandukanye. Yavuze yuko ino ndirimbo yiwe yitwa Malonjezo. Malonjezo ngo muri rw'icyongereza ngo ni promesse. Akavuga yuko ngo adatanga promesse vyoroshe.